ಭಾರತೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭವನ್.
ಭದ್ರಾಃ ಕ್ರತವೋ ಯಂತು ವಿಶ್ವತಃ.
Let noble thoughts come to us from every side.
ನವವಿಧ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಇನ್ ಶ್ರೀ ತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜ.
ವ್ಯಾಸೋ ನೈಗಮ ಚರ್ಚಯ ಮೃದುಗಿರಾ ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕ ಜನ್ಮ ಮುನಿ ವೈರಾಗ್ಯೇ ಶುಕಯೇ ಭಕ್ತಿ ವಿಷಯ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ ಏವ ಸ್ವಯಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ನಾರದ ಏವ ಚ ಅಪ್ರತಿಮಯೋ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಸಂಗೀತಯೋ ಯೋ
Of the three ways of self-realization, karma, jnana and bhakti, Tyagaraja chose bhakti and through it attained fulfillment. Music was the medium which he employed to sustain and nourish bhakti. He knew that devoted pursuit of music was as good a path as any other to the fulfillment of man's longing for the divine. He created a new environment of devotion in which many found their salvation. Bhakti is the inclination to seek the presence of God and seek refuge in Him. Sri Shankaracharya describes it as an instrument of moksha and a mode of inquiry into the nature of one's real self. The Bhagavata Mahapurana lays great stress on it and says that it manifests itself in 9 different modes. Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnoho Smaranam Padasevanam Archanam Vandanam Dasyam Sakhyam Atmanivedanam. The many-faceted creative genius of Tyagaraja presents a luminous compendium of bhakti, each aspect of it being presented in several compositions with rare clarity, beauty and intensity. We begin with Shravana, which denotes an important stage in the development of bhakti. Shravana is listening to praises of the Lord and to stories which relate to Him and filling our minds with His glory. In the song in Madhyamavati, which we now bring you, Tyagaraja asks us to cherish the story of Sri Rama, which helps us to accomplish the four objectives of life, namely Dharma, Artha, Kama, and Moksha.
Bhamani Janaki Sumitri Bhamani Janaki Sumitri
Mukti, or final emancipation, is of four kinds. They are Sarupya, attainment of a form similar to that of one's tutelary deity; Samipya, nearness to him; Salokya, residence in the same sphere; and Sayujya, absorption into him. Samipya Mukti is obtained by singing the praises of the Lord, by proclaiming his sacred names and his benevolent deeds, by extolling his might as benefactor and dispenser of punishment, and by eulogizing his love and his tenderness. Most of Tyagaraja's compositions belong to this category, which is termed Kirtana. Here is one of them in the Raga Athana, which asks, Lord, without you, where would be the world's great assembly of creatures and its exuberance of forest and farmland? Without you, where would be the rains and the harvest? Without you, where would be this Tyagaraja's praises of your divine attributes?
గానలోల నారద గానలోల నారద గానలోల నద జన పరే బాల నారద గానలోల నద జన పరే బాల నారద గానలోల నీరర సామ నీల నీరర సామ నీల నీరర సామ నీల నిరూపమ గుణశీల నారద గాదలోల నీరర సామ నీల నిరూపమ గుణశీల నారద గాదలోల నీవు లేక ఏతనువులు నిరతముగా నడుచును నీవు లేక ఏతనువులు నిరతముగా నడుచును నీవు లేక ఏతరువులు నీకముగా మూలుచును నీవు లేక ఏతరువులు నీకముగా మూలుచును నీవు లేక ఏ వానలు నీవు లేక ఏ వానలు నిత్యముగా గురుచును నీవు లేక ఏ వానలు నిత్యముగా గురుచును నీవు లేక త్యాగరాజు నీ గుణముల నేటు పాడును నారద గానలోల నీవు లేక త్యాగరాజు నీ గుణముల నేటు పాడును నారద గానలోల నద జన బరే బాల నారద గానలోల
Smarana is recalling the unmanifest Supreme to our minds, giving it a manifest form. This mode of bhakti is usually offered before an icon with the recitation of Sahasranama and worship with Patra and Pushpa. But there is also another unique and superior way where the devotee installs his chosen deity upon the altar of his heart and worships him with a recitation of his names, concretizing each name as a flower which he is offering to the Lord. This mode of smarana is a theme described in the song Nama Kusumamula in Sri Raga.
నామ కుసుమములగ నామ కుసుమములగ నామ కుసుమములగ జయ పూజ జయ नर जन्म में जन्म जय पूजन जय नर जन्म में जन्म मो मनसा नाम कुसुम मूल श्रीमान मानस श्रीमान मानस श्रीमान मानस कनक पीठ मुना चलग जैसी कोनी वर शिवराम चलग जैसी कोनी वर शिवराम नाम कुसुम मूल नाद स्वर मनो वरन वरत्न पो वेदिक सकल लीला विनोदने परमात्मने श्रीरामोनि पाद मूलनो त्यागराज रे धूष पाद मूलनो त्यागराज रे धूष नाम कुसुम मूल जय पूजन जय नर जन्म में जन्म मो मनसा नाम कुसुम मूल
Tradition attaches great importance to Padasevana, servitude at the divine feet of the Lord. Vedanta Deshikar, in his Paduka Sahasram, extols the power which resides in the divine feet. Kanakadasa pays adoration to these sacred feet, which measured the earth and the sky and brought the celestial Ganga down to the earth. Tyagaraja also devotes a number of songs to this theme. The finest of these is a song which refers to the redemption of Ahalya. Ahalya sinned though she was aware of what she was doing. She suffered unending torment and was saved only by contact with the divine feet of Sri Rama. Here is Tyagaraja's prayer to the feet of Sri Rama, Sri Rama Padama, in the Raga Amrita Vahini.
Shri Rama Padama Ni Kripa Chalone 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 Shri Rama चालो ने चिताने गिरा दारिणी शिलये तापमुताळग दारिणी शिलये तापमुताळग वारमु कन्नीरुनु राजग वारमु कन्नीरुनु राजग शूरग कल्याणो जूजी प्राचितिवी शूरग कल्याणो जूजी प्राचितिवी रीति धन्यु सेयवे त्यागराज गेयम आ रीति धन्यु सेयवे त्यागराज गेयम श्रीराम पादम नी कृप चालो ने चिताने गिरवे श्रीराम पादम
Archana is worship. While offering this worship, all the five senses and all the limbs have to be alert and active. As Kulashekara Alvar says, the tongue should praise the Lord but never be abused. The mind should pay homage. The ears should always listen to the stories of his deeds. The eyes should keep their attention ever fixed upon his image. The legs should take the devotee to the temple. The nose should inhale the fragrance of the tulasi offered at the feet of the Lord, and the head should do obeisance to him. This is Sampurnarchana, total worship. A composition in Neelambari tells us about this.
ಎನ್ನಗ ಮನಸು ಕುರನಿ ಎನ್ನಗ ಮನಸು ಕುರನಿ ಎನ್ನಗ ಮನಸು ಕುರನಿ ಪನ್ನಗ ಶಾಯಿ ಸೊಗಸು ಎನ್ನಗ ಮನಸು ಕುರನಿ ಪನ್ನಗ ಶಾಯಿ ಸೊಗಸು ಪನ್ನು ಗನು ಗೊನನಿ ಕನ್ನುಲೇ ಕನ್ನುಲೇ ಕಂಡಿ ಮಿನ್ನುಲೇ ಮಿನ್ನುಲೇ ಮೋಹಮೂತೋ ನೀಲವರಿ ವಾಹಕಾಂತಿನಿಗರಿನ ಮೋಹಮೂತೋ ನೀಲವರಿ ಸರಸಿಜ ಮಲ್ಲೆ ತುಳಸಿ ವಿರುಜಾಜಿ ಪಾರಿಜಾತ ಪೋ ವಿರುಲಜೆ ಪೂಜನಿ ಕರಮೂಲೆ ಸರಸಿಜ ಮಲ್ಲೆ ತುಳಸಿ ವಿರುಜಾಜಿ ಪಾರಿಜಾತ ಪೋ ವಿರುಲಜೆ ಪೂಜನಿ ಕರಮೂಲೆ ಕರಮೂಲೆ ಕಾಪುರ ಮೂಲೆ ಕಾಪುರ ಮೂಲೆ ಮಾಲಿಮಿನಿ ತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜು ನೇಲಿನ ರಾಮ ಮೂರ್ತಿನಿ ಮಾಲಿಮಿನಿ ತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜು ನೇಲಿನ ರಾಮ ಮೂರ್ತಿನಿ ಲಾಲಿಂಜಿ ಪೊಗಡನಿ ಲಾಲಿಂಜಿ ಪೊಗಡನಿ ಲಾಲಿಂಜಿ ಪೊಗಡನಿ ನಾಲಿಕೆ ನಾಲಿಕೆ ಸೂತ್ರ ಮಾಲಿಕೆ ಸೂತ್ರ ಮಾಲಿಕೆ